Hi everybody, welcome to Not Too Shabby Chic. My name is Dale, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will hit that like button and the bell so you'll be notified of all my videos, and hit the subscribe button. I can't say that very well. So that you can get to know me and I can get to know you. Today I am doing an unboxing for Your Creative Studio, and it appears to be a fall box. They have a monthly subscription that you can order 3 ahead of time, 3 months ahead of time, or you can buy 1 month at a time. Sometimes you can buy some of the items separately, but it's a very great value for what you get because she packs the boxes full. Sorry for the TV in the background. I forgot it was on. So let's see what we have. I have purchased many of her boxes and am never disappointed. And I would encourage you to do the same because you get a lot for your money, and it's really a great value and unique things that you don't see everywhere. So it's exciting to get one. Let's see what we have. So you get this cool box, which is awesome for shipping things. A thank you card. So much for your purchase. Hope you enjoy this collection. Love her cards. And look at this beautiful tissue paper with the vintage things on it. Isn't that beautiful? So let's see. I'm gonna move this over here and take out one at a time. These look like they may be bookmarks. So let's see what we have. Oh no, they're not. It's on a leather strip, and it's little pieces of paper for collage. You could make it into a bookmark or a belly band or washi tape if you put it on double-sided paper. Isn't this gorgeous? Never frown even when you are sad, because you never know who is falling in love with your smile. That's sweet. Once we dreamt that we were strangers, we wake up to find that and part of it's cut off. Beautiful collage papers or washi papers. Love that. They feel like sticky paper almost, but they're super fun. This is awesome. Love it. Love the little, you can use the little suede strip. Then we have washi, and these little bags that things come in are super cool as well. So if you are careful, you can peel the label off without tearing up your bag and reuse the bag. Yay, I did it. I'll do the lid later. Let's look at the washi. Oh, isn't that pretty? It's like burnt orange-ish. Trying to find where I can lift it up. Anyway, isn't that pretty? Love that color. Let's see what else we've got. Loft Book Collection Loft Book Collection Series. And if you've never tried Your Creative Studio, I highly encourage you to do so. So this string can slide off and you can use that. I love that. And you have the Mysteries of India Corn Harvest Beginning. These are good for journaling cards or collaging. Beautiful papers. Our Halloween Party. Old ads. All look like vintage paper. Love these ads. Oh, how cool. Love them. New York Times. This is amazing. I love these. This is super cool. I mean, look at all that. And we have a cling stamp. See if I can gently pull this off. Yes. And you can tuck it like that. Yay, I got that one off without a bit of trouble. So let's look at the stamp. Oh, there's several. How cute. It's a little lantern and a pumpkin. Maybe see that side? Isn't that cute? And this is an oak leaf. And a sweet pine cone. Those are awesome. I don't have any stamps like that. Then we have these stickers, and they look like each of those. I'm not going to pull them all out. Aren't those pretty little flower wreaths? Beautiful. 16 designs, 32 pieces. Stickers. We can never have too many stickers. Another cling stamp. Woohoo! Oh, look at that. It's got roses. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe it goes that way. So pretty. I love that. And of course, we love our bags. And there's more. Let's see what this is. You can also save the cellophane to use for window specimen things and shaker tags. This is 60 pieces Cottage Garden. So they're little collage papers. Pretty, all different gorgeous colors, sizes. So pretty. I love these. Got to get collaging. I love collage. Or background papers too. These are leaf stickers in black and white. Isn't that pretty? More stickers, yay! My goodness. Rub-on transfer stickers. I love rub-ons. And there's your little, you even get the little thingy to rub them on with. Aren't those gorgeous? Oh, you get several. Let's see. Shows you how to do it. Look how pretty. Fall colors. Look, that was a wax seal. Beautiful. So you get 3 sheets of that, plus your little device. Love that. It's so cute. Okay, I'll do that later. More. Gorgeous paper. This is like tissue paper. Isn't that pretty? Love those colors. These are faux postage stamps. Super pretty. Let's see what they look like. Oh my goodness, look at all of these pretty faux stamps. All kinds of flowers. Strawberries. Some of these I don't know what they are, but they're all pretty. Gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And that is gorgeous too. Could even put a stamp on it. I'd rather do it on that side. Yeah, you can even use this. Beautiful. I'm going to put these back so I don't lose them. Awesome. This is so exciting, guys. You must try out your creative studio. Mushroom Jungle. Ooh, I can't wait to see this because I love mushrooms. $60 pieces. Look at that cute little tag and the way it's tied with the jute. I love this. Save that. Save that. Love this little box too. Great for our journals. Oh wow. Love. Ooh. My goodness. Look, some of them look torn and aged, patinaed. These are awesome. I love these. Wow, you get a lot of them. I love this. I don't have to tear them apart. Mushrooms border. It is a matter of the will, a quality of the imagination, vigor of the emotions. So you got several little things. Happy Easter, Italy, Netherlands. Some more torn pieces. Flower. These gorgeous, a faux stamp. Some pretty mushrooms. You can fussy cut or just use that whole page like it is. Look at that. These are gorgeous. My favorite of everything. Oh, look at that. Love that. This is absolutely amazing. Beautiful. My favorite of the whole box is right here. I love the whole box, but this is amazing. Wow, that is so cool. And there's more, my friends. Last but not least, look at these papers. Paper ephemera. Let's see what we have. Oh, wow, these are gorgeous. And you can use these sheets, too, for journal cards. These are beautiful. I always love these colors. I don't care what time of year it is. If it's fall or not, I like these colors. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's vellum. Oh, the birds are singing and the heavens are opening. Look at all that vellum. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. So you get some paper ones. Then this feels like textured paper, almost like wallpaper. You got vellum, textured, like a wallpaper feel. These are gorgeous. Oh, second favorite or first favorite, I don't know. And then this, maybe sticky back paper. I'm kind of thinking it is. Well, I'll figure that out later. Yep, it's sticky paper. Yay! That's sticker paper. A little bit of everything. These are beautiful. Wow. I mean, man, this is such a good price. And you get, this would cost you so much more than what you pay for this kit. And it's always fun to see what you get. So thank you so much, Angela, for allowing me to do this unboxing. And I am excited to see what I can make with these. And I'll do that in another video because I don't want to take too long. And I've already been taking a minute looking at everything. So pretty. So we'll see what I can come up with in the next couple weeks. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I will link, if I can figure it out how, your creative studio in my description box, so you can go check them out and get you a subscription. You can just order one box, or I think your best value is to do 3, but you can do however many you want, and you cannot go wrong with whatever you order because they're all amazing. So thank you so much. Thank you. And check them out. I'll link them below. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and know that God loves you, and so do I. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.